This is a super easy one, but I wanted to make a video dedicated just to pickled onions. There's a million ways to make pickled anything, and this is going to be quick and easy pickled onions. If you need them for today, you know, it's super, super easy. This is one onion. Don't worry about it. Like, pickle a lot and keep them forever. So that's one onion, and I just julienne them. You can cut them any way you want, but that's what I did. So I just did a quick julienne. And then this is a quick pickling. It's red wine vinegar because it's pickled red onions. And I already mixed all this up. You don't have to. You can put it in separate, but I just wanted to make it easy for camera. So it's 1 cup of red wine vinegar, a cup of water, and a cup of sugar. So you know I like things a cup. So let me get all that sugar in there because that's very important. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to turn this on, and we are going to let it boil down for probably, let's cook it for like 15 minutes and see where we're at. You don't want to go crazy and have it be like so syrupy that it's like candy, because you want to use these for salad. So you want some liquid left, and I'll show you what that looks like in 15 minutes. All right, it's been 15 minutes, and the onions are beautiful. You can go a little longer if you want, taste them, but you want a little crunch left, and I'm just going to put them in this container with the liquid, and when it cools completely, you can put a top on them, and then you can use them for years. They'll be good forever. Don't stick your bare fingers in them because you don't want to get bacteria and ruin them. But these are awesome, and you're going to always have them as a staple. Enjoy!